AddMath Form 4, Topic Vector, Lesson 3, Question. Step 1, collect what is given. Given that the coordinate E, negative 3, 5, collect. Coordinate F, 7, 4, and coordinate G, PQ. Find the value of P and Q. So we put a question mark here of what they are asking, such that the equation vector EF plus 3 times vector FG is equals I plus 5J. This also we collect. Okay. Step 2, start from what they ask. They are asking P and Q. I shall go to the P and Q, which is the coordinate of G. They are asking PQ. I go to the PQ, which is the coordinate of G. So now G, I will go to the equation that is involving the G. So therefore, I'm going to start with the equation, which is, I've written again here, that is EF vector plus 3 times vector FG equals to I plus 5J. Now the first thing that you notice is that vector EF and FG does not start from origin. This is E, this is F. So both vectors EF and FG, they are non-position vectors. And these non-position vectors, we can change it to a position vector by the formula. The non-position vector AB is equals OB, the second letter, minus OA, the first letter. So now AB equals OB minus OA, which I'm going to apply for EF. If you notice now that the EF, second letter OF, sorry for that, OF minus OE. The second letter OF minus the first letter OE. I repeat. Now FG, the second letter G, which is OG, minus the first letter F, which is OF. Of course, the 3 I put back. And on the right hand side, I just copy back. So now from here, this whole equation, we concentrate on position vector OF, position vector OE, OG. We have 3 position vectors. And if you remember the notes, a position vector OA is same as the coordinates of A. So here A have the coordinate XA and YA. So the position vector same as the coordinate of the point A, written in column HAYA. So therefore, the position vector OF same as the coordinate of F. Over here, the coordinate of F, 7, 4. So I have put back the 7, 4 minus the position vector OE, same as the coordinate E, negative 3 and 5. Negative 3 and 5. And then these 3 I put back Now we look at position vector OG. Must be the coordinate G, which is P and Q. So I substitute P and Q. Again minus OF position vector, which was here OF, which was 7, 4. So I substitute 7, 4. On the right hand side, I just copy back. Now all we have to do now is, we now do on the left hand side. 7 minus negative 3, that will give us 10. 4 minus 5 will give us negative 1. The 3 I put back. If you look here, P minus 7. I put back P minus 7. And then we have Q minus 4. I put back Q minus 4. So now we are going to plus, what are we going to plus? 10 plus 3 brackets P minus 7. This is what I have done here. Okay? 10 plus 3 brackets P minus 7. Okay? And the down part, negative 1, again plus, don't forget the 3 brackets Q minus 4, which is I've done here. Negative 1 plus 3 brackets Q minus 4. This is the top part. And if you remember our nodes, if I have a vector A is x, y, this is same as xi plus yj. The I and j are unit vectors. So here, this whole thing, 10 plus 3 brackets P, 10 plus 3 brackets P minus 7 is, we put the I. And the second one, negative 1 plus 3 brackets Q minus 4, negative 1 plus 3 minus Q negative 4, that would be the J. I'm using this formula, that the vector A, xy, x with I, the y with the j. So that's what I've done here. This whole thing, that's what I've done. Okay, now we are going to do one by one. We compare the I on the left hand side and the I on the right hand side. I'm comparing I left hand side, I right hand side, which I will get the 10 plus 3 bracket 7 minus 1 equals to 1, because here is 1. In front of the I is 1. So the one in front of I, left hand side, same as in front of I on the right hand side, which give us this equation. And then repeat the same thing. The one in front of J, left hand side, same as the one in front of J on the right hand side, which means this whole thing now equal to 5. That is negative 1 plus 3 brackets cube minus 4 equals to 5, which I have written here. And now we can solve it. Now it's easier. What I have done, the 10 I transfer, so it becomes 1 minus 10, which is 9. And then the 3 I transfer, over here, 3 I transfer, 9 over 3. Left hand side I copy back, 9 over 3 is 3. Negative 7 I transfer, positive 7. We got our final answer that the P is 10. Similarly, for this equation given, what I do first, I transfer the negative 1 the other side. It becomes 5 plus 1, 6. Now I transfer the 3 the other side, the 3 the other side, 6 over 3. Left hand side, I got q minus 4. 6 over 3 is 2. Now I transfer the negative 4 the other side, plus 4. So finally we have q equals to 10. Thank you.